Welcome to 5849 Hansen Drive. This beautiful home, located directly across the street from Hansen Park, is in Pleasanton's highly desired Del Prado neighborhood. This lovely home has been tastefully updated, well-maintained, and in move-in condition. The kitchen overlooks the dining room and features custom cabinets, granite counters, a stone backsplash, and stainless appliances. The home features indoor and outdoor dining areas, elegant enough for dinner parties or casual enough for weeknight meals at home. The home's bedrooms each feature spacious closets and are tastefully designed with calming and relaxing design elements throughout. The master suite is a spacious and yet thoroughly cozy spot to end your day, while the luxurious bath is full of spa-like features. The manicured backyard features a spacious paver patio and a lush lawn. It's the perfect place to enjoy a barbecue with friends and family. Historic downtown Pleasanton, with its excellent restaurants, shopping, and entertainment, is within an easy walk or bike ride. The convenient location is one of the best in the East Bay for Silicon Valley commuters and provides quick and easy access to Highways 580 and 680, the ACE train station, and BART.